Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2090 Honda Crider Smart Key.
We need to prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key produced by Lonsdor. Now, plug in the OBD communication cable. The first step is smart key generation, Honda Crider. Select 4A's menu to generate the Honda Smart Key produced by Lonsdor. Put into the card slot. Click Generate. Generation successful. Return to the main menu. The second step is IMO and Remetto. Honda. From Vehicle. Asia. Crider. Select after 2019. Smart Key. Push button. Select Add a Smart Key. Click OK according to the prompts. Press the start button twice. See if you can turn on the ignition switch. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Keep one programmed key inside the car. Take other keys out of the car. Click OK. Take other smart keys out of the car. Put the key to be programmed inside the car. OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Count of the programmed keys. 2. Check whether the key can be used normally and click OK. Programming complete. OK. Now let's try to see if the key works. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. Try again to see if the remote control is normal. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2090 Honda Crider. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.